Now we got a snap-on ratchet from eBay. This was a bidded item. I won the bid on here. It's a great deal. The shipping was $14, which is a little high. Should be like $8 for the shipping, but it was a good deal overall. We'll get it out of here. All this paper. After we wrap it up with Ratchet. There's a big boy. This is a 1/2-inch drive. Good shape. It is used. But overall, good shape on this. And this is an S832 made in the USA. This ratchet, I paid $57 and $14 shipping, which is $71. This ratchet lists for $186, brand new. So I saved over $115 buying this ratchet. Got a little scuffs on it, but it was used. There's no big nicks and stuff on here. But it's a nice 1/2-inch drive. On here, so it was a good deal. $186 brand new. I paid $71 with shipping on this. Made in the USA. This is very nice. This is a polish up. You get a little mag polish on here, polish it up, whatever. But overall, there's no markings on it, no owner's engravings or nothing on it. So that's what we picked up from eBay. 1/2-inch drive ratchet. Alright, just polished it all up. The ratchet, like brand new. Had a little scuffing on it, and it all came out. I used this Mother's stuff. This is some good stuff here. Mag and aluminum polish. For your chrome and stuff. There's some good stuff. There's all the black. Takes the black off, all the oxidation. So you guys looking to polish up some chrome mag wheels. I use this on the old car. All the aluminum inside, the valve cover gaskets and all of that. This is some good stuff, this Mother's. But there you go. All polished up. Like brand new. $71. Save $115.